Hi there. Welcome to our very dry basement in Weston. Standing here with our Sedona dehumidifier, which we've had for just about a year. Don had recommended it to us. I had to think about it for a minute, but once I decided it's what we needed, he had his guys come right out, get the proper electrical installed to put it in. It was very easy. It's been running perfectly for the past year. The basement stayed dry all through last summer. It was very humid. We've got our annual service coming up at the end of next month, and very excited to have that done. So excited that when we had the Canadian wildfires going on in this past week and the air was full of smoke, I called Don up and I said, hey, we need an ASPEN air purifier for our house too. And that was 2 days ago, and now we're standing in here and it just got installed upstairs. Very happy, very excited to have nice clean air in our house.